I have too much scrap yarn sitting around. This is not all of it. I have all these on the table. I have some more on the counter and I have some more at home. So today I want to recreate the mostic sweater using the scrap yarn. I'll be filming a tutorial for this because when I originally did it, I did not do a tutorial. So from the colors that I have right here, I just want to select the yarns that are of the same type. It seems like the greens are more than all the other colors right that I have right here. So I'll combine the greens, these ones. I'll be using my 4.5mm crochet hook. So I'm going to start with a sleeve. Let's begin with this green. The starting chain should be a multiple of 2. I've started with 60 chains. Represent the armhole length times 2, which is 18 inches. Then I'll start on the second chain from the hook, place a single crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, skip, single crochet next, and repeat that pattern to the end of the row. The last stitch should be a single crochet, and we're done with row 1. Then chain 1 and turn to begin row 2. Begin in the first stitch with a single crochet. In the chain 1 space, place a single crochet without chaining. Chain 1, single crochet into the next space, chain 1, single crochet into the next space, chain 1, single crochet into the space that follows, and repeat the pattern to the end of row 2. At the end, you should have 2 single crochets with no chain in between, and that's the end of row 2. Then we chain 1 and turn to begin row 3. We begin in the first stitch with a single crochet. 1, skip the next stitch and work in the chain 1 space, place a single crochet, chain 1, place a single crochet into the next chain 1 space, and repeat to the end. I'm done with row 3. For row 4 and all the other even rows, we're going to repeat row 2. For row 5 and all the other odd rows, we're going to repeat row 3. So this is a 2-row repeat. We are repeating row 2 and 3, and I'm going to work a total of 20 rows with this. I've done a total of 68 rows to get me to the length of the sleeve, and this is how it looks like. So the only thing that's remaining on the sleeve is the ribbing, which I'm going to do later. I'll first do the second sleeve and then do the ribbing. I'm done with the 2 sleeves and I'm so excited. Like, sleeves stress me out, and when I'm done with them, everything starts flowing. So the sleeves are ready. The only thing that's remaining are the ribbons for both the sleeves, which I'm going to work later on after I'm done with the back and the front panel. So let's get to the back panel. I'm going to work the back panel here at the shop. Then for the front panel, I'll need to start filming the tutorial because we're doing a tutorial. With the main panels, I'll start with a chain of 70. I'm going to work exactly the same way I did with the sleeves. I'm done with the back panel. So now I have the back panel and 2 sleeves.